Hey guys, so there's a kind of problem here.
Pagod lang ako.
This
Kung hindi ka pa ready, sabihin mo lang.
and yesterday when I'm not recording off cam, I
Angel!
accidentally updated the serum of the base, so we kinda lose my stuff, all of my stuff.
Lang pare, kasi nung una, okay pa kami ni Angel.
So
Bigla na lang magkagalit kami. Ano yun, di ba? Nakakatawa din, wala akong idea kung bakit.
we'll schedule. There's a fucking problem, sorry. So yeah guys, I can't record right now and I can't play for some reason.
May tayo ka sa ulo eh. Hoy,
Sometimes it's happened, so I can't play right now. So yeah guys, goodbye.